Hey, this is Arpan Shukla and you are connected with Anti-Aging Club. It is the place where you may get authentic information for extending your health span, your life span and looking at least 10 years younger than your present age. The purpose of this series is to make the people aware about the value of life which we got almost free. Now it is our turn to take care of it. Our soul, our Atma, our super energy lives in bodily structure, which needs maintenance inside and outside. We will understand it later with various examples. Well, here in this series at this platform of Anti-Aging Club, our main intention is to make our mind, body, soul so strong, so intact with good integrity that we get longer health span and also longer lifespan. Today I will be sharing some hacks of anti-aging, few habits that are useful and you should start doing it from today only. So today's topic is what's normal when it comes to the aging and what is not normal. That means how you will know that you are getting aged, you are becoming old aged. So knowing what mental and physical changes normally occurs with age is the first step towards protecting your health. Here are some of the most common bodily changes you can expect. Number one is your bones. Bones become brittle, thinner with the age as they lose their mass or its density, sometimes which results in osteoporosis also. So low bone mass raises your risk of broken bones, including in the vertebrae of your body, which are the bones of your spine, which can cause a stopped posture and loss of height also. While low bone mass and osteoporosis are more common in women, but they can occur in men also. Be sure to talk with your physician about what you can do to prevent osteoporosis. Oftentimes, the first sign you have is the broken bone or frequent fractures. Next one is your heart. So as you age, your large arteries become stiffer and these are contributing to higher blood pressure. The walls of the arteries also tend to accumulate a buildup of fatty deposit called plaque, which also hardens and narrow the arteries, reducing the blood flow to the heart. The buildup of fatty deposits and a buildup of plaque in the arteries leading to your heart is known as coronary artery disease and is a major risk factor for the heart attack. While not all of the heart and blood vessels changes associated with aging can be controlled, following a healthy diet and getting regular physical activity can almost always help to keep your arteries and heart healthier for longer. The another one is your brain. It's common for people to experience some slight forgetfulness as they get older, and their ability to process new information or to multitask may slow with age as well. When confusion and memory problem go beyond the occasional, that is called senior moment, that's not normal and you should have it checked by your medical professional. You could be in early stages of dementia, but you could also have a treatable condition that's affecting your brain. So make sure you're not skipping this particular condition for yourself or for your near and dears. Another one is your digestive system. So as you age, your digestive tract slows down and doesn't contract as often as it did when you were younger, which can lead to constipation, stomach pain and feeling of nausea. So many medications also causes or contribute to constipation. To prevent these digestive problems, following a diet that's rich in fiber, drinking plenty of fluid, keeping as active as possible and doing the best to manage stress. Next one is your senses. So as you age, you may notice that your five senses, that is hearing, vision, taste, smell and touch, they are not quite as sharp as they once were. So changes within the structure of the ear may also cause you some degree of hearing loss and may also affect your sense of balance. The sharpness of your vision may dull and you may need reading glasses also. You may start to lose your sense of taste thanks to the decrease of number of taste buds. Consequently, flavors may not seem as distinct to you nor as vivid. Your senses of smell may weaken with age due to decreased mucus production and loss of nerve ending to the nose. You may also find that your sensitivity to touch, pain, pressure, and vibration is reduced. Although some people become more sensitive to touch because the skin becomes thin. Next one is your teeth and gums. The tough enamel that protects your teeth from decay can start to wear away over the years, leaving you susceptible to cavities. The nerves in your teeth can become smaller with age, leaving you less sensitive to pain and potentially delaying a diagnosis of cavities or cracks in the tooth's outer surface. More than half of the people over age 65 have moderate or severe gum diseases. There are many medications which causes a dry mouth, which increases the risk of oral diseases. So make sure you are keeping hydrating yourself. Your mouth should not be dry anytime in the day. Next one is your skin. So as you age, your skin loses its elasticity and may start to sag and wrinkle. However, the more you protected your skin from sun damage and smoking when you are younger, the better your skin will look as you get older. Sunscreen and moisturizer as the two most important anti-aging products you should be using. So wearing a hat with a brim will also protect the skin on your scalp and your face. So start protecting your skin now to prevent further damage and to lower your risk to skin cancer. The next one is your sexual function. So after menopause, when menstruation stops and estrogen level drops, many women experience physical changes. These changes can also reduce sex drive. For men, advancing age is often accompanied by erectile dysfunction. Though, as the American Sexual Health Association points out, this is not a normal part of aging and may indicate an underlying medical issue or occur as a side effect of any medication. Fortunately, many of these physical issues can be readily treated, or if not, accommodated by open-minded partners who are willing to experiment. While many of these bodily changes are a natural part of aging, they don't have to slow you down. What's more, there is a lot you can do to protect your body and keep it as healthy as possible. So this was some small piece of information. In fact, very useful information you may start implementing from today only. Stay tuned, stay connected. If you want to know specifically about anything related to anti-aging, so feel free to ask in the comment section. Arpan Shukla from Anti-Aging Club sign off now. Have a nice time ahead. Thanks for listening. See you soon.